I'm Kristen Vartan. Here are some stories making local headlines. The FDA is one step closer to a complete ban on menthol-flavored cigarettes and cigars. Just before the weekend, the agency submitted its proposal to the Office of Management and Budget. In 2020, the agency enacted a flavor ban on e-cigarettes because they targeted middle school and high school students. Now, public health officials argue banning menthol, the last allowable flavor in cigarettes, will save lives. In the proposal, the FDA provides evidence that menthol tobacco products are heavily marketed to racial minorities. The CDC reports more than 85% of menthol smokers are black, taking a disproportionate toll on their health. And on the pandemic front, officials reports showing a major fall in COVID cases across the U.S. COVID-19 cases have tumbled 90% since mid-January, according to new data. Johns Hopkins University says this dropped from more than 802,000 daily cases to less than 80,000 happened over 6 weeks. Average daily case rates are back down to the level seen last November, right before the Omicron variant, by the way, showed up in the U.S. Hospitalizations from COVID-19 are also falling. The Department of Health and Human Services say there are currently 53,000 COVID-19 patients. That's about a third of the number of patients hospitalized last month. And now here's the look at your weather. We are starting to warm up here in Kern County. That warm trend is continuing on from today into the week, and it's going to be giving us temperatures that are even going to affect our back to school weather forecast. At 8:30 tomorrow morning, you will take your kids to school at 54 degrees. And as they go on into the week, still pretty warm temperatures. Our 7-day forecast here sitting at 68 on Sunday. That's today. And then as we go on into the week, we're going to get into those mid 70s, eventually high 70s in the Tuesday, Wednesday range. Slight chance of rain as we dip a little bit into the 66 to 60 degree range, 20% chance of rain there. Saturday, it may rain, 10% chance, 59 degrees. And a similar trend here in our mountain. We see 67 degrees in Lake Isabella, definitely slightly cooler temperatures here to Tehachapi and Fraser Park. And as we go on into the week, we'll be experiencing those 70s there, 78 degrees on Tuesday in Lake Isabella, high 60s in Tehachapi and Fraser Park. And eventually Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, slight chance of rain, 20 to 10% chance. And Saturday, we're going to dip back down to those mid 50s and mid 40s as we go into a possible chance of rain, 10% chance there. Thank you so much for joining us here for 23 ABC News. We'll have an update later today.